Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I'm going to still be doing them daily because there's quite a bit still to go on now. A few things I need to clear up. One being, you know what, I'll get over here now. One being yesterday's video. So I gave myself a day off yesterday because I got quite a bit of footage on Saturday to give me self a couple of days worth of footage basically. So I when the second part of the roof come down, I went home and edited that, and then Paul Frost messaged to say that the corner section was coming out, which is just still down there on the deck. So luckily enough I got that editing done, and it was posted online. Then I could come up here and get this footage of this corner section coming down from down here, and look at that big gap there. Yeah, so I got that corner footage, and that done me for Sunday morning. So I gave myself a day off on Sunday. I had a few things to do anyway. The kids have football, and then one of them had a football presentation. So yeah, it was quite busy on Sunday anyway for me. Let's just have a quick look at this, what they're doing to it. Nothing seems to be happening just yet. But anyway, I was filming not too dissimilar from this angle here. It's pretty much spot on, to be honest. And I've blared out. I haven't blared out a lot, to be fair, but people are complaining. Well, no, there's a handful complaining. So it's not worth watching if you're going to blare stuff out. And people are just asking why is blaring out. So I'll explain on this video why I was blaring out. The workers requested it. That done the lift. Okay, so the guys that were on the ropes, they requested that they didn't want me to post it. So I said, how about if I do some cropping? He said, yeah, that'll be fine. But I couldn't crop it. It wasn't working for me. It wasn't worth posting if I was going to crop it, because I'm just basically zooming into the piece getting lifted out, and there's not a lot going on around it, you see, with the crop. So I decided to blare what he didn't want in the video. So yeah, and the reason why I blared it is because they wanted it, and they had a very valid reason for it. It may have cost jobs if I'd have shown what was going on. I had to work with Paul Frost, and I think he's cut out what was going on as well, so because he had better angles than me, because we didn't want to be in the same area with the drone. So that's the reason for the blaring. The workers just requested it, and I could have said no, because it was really good footage that he had. But as I said, all the way through this build, Liverpool Football Club have been brilliant with us, the construction company have been brilliant with us, the guys on the cranes have given us loads of information, the workers have been fantastic, even the ones that come out and confronted me. It was all good in the end. It looked like it was confrontational on the video. I only posted it because I wanted people to hear their concerns about drone flyers and how irresponsible you can be. That's all. It wasn't to make them look bad. But in the early stages, they were talking, I was talking, and we were all talking over each other. If one of us would have just shut up and listened to one person at a time, and it'd been all right. But it just seemed confrontational. It wasn't. So yeah, so that's the reason why I blared that out, because I didn't want anyone losing their jobs. Okay, so that's cleared that bit up, which it took about 4 minutes to explain that. But it's important to explain it because a lot of people were asking why it blared. Right, so I'm going to have a look at the stand now. I'm going to explain what's going on next with the stands, because one of the lads kindly let me know what was going on. So there we go. The roof's totally down. Let me zoom in on it. A lot of seats missing, and I have one. I've got a friend working on site. I'm not going to say what he does on site or what section of the ground he's working on, but he got me a seat. So thank you. I know you're going to watch the video. Thank you for getting me the seat. I made up with it, so I don't have to worry about getting a seat now, chasing skip wagons and stuff like that. So what's going to happen next is, right, let me just get a good pan along here before, because I need to zoom out and let you know. Look at that, load of seats gone there. I think they'll all be getting scrapped. So as I started already, these crawler cranes are getting dismantled now. Or they're going to start to get dismantled anyway. Okay, that's starting today. Once they're dismantled and off the pitch, there's going to be a 300-ton crawler crane. There's going to be a 300-ton crane going on the pitch where they are now, and they're going to be taken down. So a lot of people have asked this, is this, so this tier here now, that's going. I know a lot of people have asked, saying, is it going to be part of the new stand? No, it's not. It's getting taken down. It's getting taken down in 40 sections. Okay. Just looking behind me, just saw some people behind me, sorry. So that's getting taken down in 40 sections, he said, 40, yeah. So it's going to be getting cut and lifted out by this 300-ton crane, which, yeah, I can see 40 sections there. And then getting taken out on lorries and scrapped. So once that's done, all this lower tier is getting remodelled to match the upper tier then. So it's going to be 2 tiers. So what you see now, oh, I just lost my signal, 1 second. 1 second. It's because I'm walking forward. So what you see here now as 2 tiers is going to be 1 tier, and it's as simple as that. So let me get higher and back, keeping myself in sight. Oh, let's zoom in on that. So where you see them new seats there, that's the upper tier. Then let me zoom back in. This is the old upper tier, which is going to be getting taken down and remodelled into 1 tier. Does that make sense? That's the best way I can describe it. So as it looks like there's 3 tiers now, that middle tier is going to go cut down into 40 sections and removed. Okay? Right. I shall now have a look at what's going on the roof. Do you want to say as well, Saturday, it was hard work, waiting around and not knowing what was going on. It was a lot of fun as well. And I say it's hard, oh, look at these guys, this is madness, this. I say it's hard work, it's not as hard as what, you know, the ones on site are doing. It was just the waiting round, it was the heat. But what made it fun was a lot of people come over in the off chance that we'd be there, and we're coming talking to us. So there's me and Mr. Drone in the car park, Paul was up on Anfield Road in his camper van. And Craig's Adventures was there as well, and everyone's coming over and chatting, and it was like they knew us. It was nice, you know, asking about like my studies, like I haven't mentioned, and someone walked over and say, "Oh, how are you getting on with your studies?" And so what it is, I've passed anyway. I've passed my 2nd year. I've done quite well in it, apart from me writing. Now it's not a problem with my grammar or my spelling, anything like that. The writing's fine in itself. I was too descriptive when I should have been more analytical in my writing. That's all. That's where I've got the problem with me writing. I'm too descriptive with my writing. Okay, but everything else was fine, and I got quite a better mark than I expected, if I'm being honest. Okay, so go on to my 3rd year next year. So thank you everyone for asking how I got on. But yeah, people coming over, and me and Mr. Dunn were having a bit of a laugh, to be fair. He done a live just before the lift, which was fun to do because I've never done one before, and I don't really put myself on camera. So that was fun. Yeah, but it was nice for everyone to come over and just say hello. Yeah, that's all I can say about that. It was it, yeah. Right, so I'm going to get over and look at the back of the stand now. I can see cranes moving and a cherry picker up. I'll see what they're doing. They're on the move, aren't they? Let's have a look where they're going. Also, I've started a buy me a coffee account. I'll put it on screen now. That's for those, there's loads asking if they can give me money, and I don't want the money. But what I will do, I'm going to set this account up for those that want to donate towards my grassroots football campaign. Okay, so if you want to buy me a coffee, there's a buy me a coffee account for you to drop something in. It's entirely up to yourself, okay? It won't be going to me, it'll be going towards buying football kits for kids' teams that can't afford them. That's all I'm going to do that for. But thank you everyone who's been asking if they can buy me something or give me some money some way. Just, yeah, thank you. They might be taking a while to get up there, so let me see what this crane was doing. Because I'm looking on the phone, it's hard to see where. Oh yeah, it's dropping down there, okay. Is he going to put that on there? Yeah, because the roof's down as well, more this week I'm going to concentrate on what's going on outside as well. A lot of people have been asking why am I just concentrating on the roof, because that's been the most important part of the build so far this all last week. It was exciting, I enjoyed it. So I won't cover too much on the outside today. Anyway, while we're looking there, anyway, there's the glass to go in as well, in the window frames that are in. So they'll be going up this week by the looks of it. So let me come out. You're going in these window frames here. It looks like the cherry pickers are already set up for maybe taking them up. They might even go in today, possibly. So when I come back tomorrow, they might be in. Yeah, so I'm almost on 10,000 subscribers, which I never thought possible in my wildest dreams. Oh, hold on, there's something going on in cherry picker here. So please, yeah, if you're subscribed, thank you. If you're not, and you keep watching and you like it, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free, and I've got to keep reiterating this because people think you have to pay to subscribe. You don't. It's completely free. You watch my videos and YouTube does the rest. That's it. You get all the content for free. So it looks like they're going to be doing this section here possibly. Yeah, so thank you for everyone that subscribes. All the comments are flying in, the likes. You know, I've never had so many likes and comments in my life, and I sit there for hours replying to them all. So if you've commented on my channel, as you know, I've replied to you. Okay, and if you don't think I have, just check your notifications on YouTube. It'll say that I've replied. Yeah. So everyone, thank you so much. It's a bit more chill today. It's a bit more relaxed, which I like. But yeah, I want to say a massive shout out. I think I'm a DJ. I want to say a massive thank you to Paul Frost and Mr. Zone as well. They've been superb through this. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have got the footage that I did get. Paul Frost was just on the ball with everything. He was watching everything from the ground. He was letting me and Mr. Zone know further down in the car park what was going on. Mr. Zone had his binoculars with him so we could do some spotting in the air for any more drones, which we did spot. So when we all got up in the air to get the lift, a drone came in from this direction, and it was well spotted by Mr. Jones. So we're all frozen in place then with our drones not wanting to move because we were at all at the heights that we wanted to be. So we'd have no collision. And but a drone coming from this direction, we don't know whose it was. but it stayed for a couple of minutes, then it flew off again. So luckily it was, yeah, as we don't, you know, as we don't claim the airspace as ours, the police car going past. But just liaise with us and let us know that you're going to be in the air. That's why we stand out in the open, so people can see us. Right guys, so I'll leave it there. Little bit of chat about how Saturday went, why the Blenheim went on, what's going to happen next with the upper tier of the stands. If you've got any more questions, ask me and I'll do my best to answer them, okay? But apart from that, thank you for watching. I've had a ball this week. I'm going to keep coming up every day because I think there's going to be a lot of change going on this week as well. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.